Everybody,
Hi everybody!
thank you for joining us on Sticky Rice Stories. This series is called Draw. Not too long ago, we drew the letter B and now we're on the letter M. M for mouse. So we're going to need our materials.
A
ThingyDingy, a marker, a pen, a pencil. Oh, and we need markers and stuff like that to color after, okay? Alright, so let's get started. So this is the middle of the paper. Bonk. Bam. Now, we're going to do the M. Ready? You got to do the stretches. And do this. Okay, now we're going to start on this side of the paper. Middle vertically, middle horizontally. Okay, so we'll be on this side. We're going to bring the M line, the first line, about this big. Okay, so we're going to start right here, and then we're going to round out the M a little bit like that. Good. And then we're going to start here at this point, and then we're going to come down and do another round part like that, and then stop at the middle of this line. Okay, so start here, come down, and then stop right there at the middle. Okay, awesome. And then we're going to start at this point and then come up and go round as well, like that. Good. And then we're going to start at this point, okay? And we're going to bring the line around like this, and we're going to end right where this one is. Okay, so we'll start here, we'll come around like this and stop here. Okay, so we start here and we make it round and then stop where this one has stopped. All right, now that's the letter M, you see? Okay.
It kind of looks like a heart, but it doesn't.
It does look like a heart, baby. So bring this line a little bit further down. Perfect. Okay, now what we're going to do is at this line and this line right here, we're going to make an oval like that. Bonk. Good. Do you know what that is already?
A nose?
That's right, it is a nose. Okay, so on this side, we're going to start here, point here. Okay, you're going to draw an oval that comes around here and attaches to this side. Okay, let me show you. You're going to start here, and you're going to come around like this, and then you're going to come like that, so it's an oval.
Daddy, it's a U!
Oh yeah, it can be a U. Good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come to this side of the nose and we're going to make a long oval like this. Just like that. Good.
I can tell what that's the eye.
Then we're going to go to this side of the nose and we're going to draw another eye like this. There you go. And then what we'll do is we will put a line in the middle of the circle, or the oval. And then put another line in the middle of that oval. And then we're going to color the bottom part.
You know, remember that time when I accidentally colored this? Oops, I colored just a little bit in the inside, and it got white out, and he colored it like a shine in his eye.
Yeah, you want to do that again?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and color the whole thing, and then for mine, what I'll do is, so that people can follow, we'll draw a mini circle up here, and a mini circle up here. Okay, so one circle here, and then one circle here, and then you draw another little circle here, and another little circle at the bottom. So now we have one circle, two circles, three circles, four circles. And then what we can do is color around that. And now he has 2 little shiny spots.
Yeah.
And if you don't have whiteout, that's totally fine. You can get these materials later on, and then we can go from there.
He has a big eye.
All right, and then what we'll do, take up the whiteout, and we'll make a circle up here. And then a little one here, and then a circle up here. Or an oval, a circle, an oval, a circle. There, shine.
Wow.
Okay, now.
Smells funny.
What we're going to do now is we're going to come up the top of the head, start it, put your finger on the nose, go above his head about this much, okay? And then you're going to put your marker here and you're going to make a round ThingyDingy. Good. And then you're going to start in the middle from this side and then come around this side, follow this line like this, close to it, and then end right there on the top of the cheek. Good. And then here, right above this point here, touch the point here, come up to the top of the head, and you're going to make an oval like it's laying down. An oval. Good, look at that. And then you're going to go to this point right here, and you're going to go above his head on this line, and you're going to make another oval. I'm going to make this oval bigger than the other one. There we go. Good, and then for the mouth, touch the nose, come directly down, and then you make, let's just do come right here, go to the nose, touch the nose, come down, and then just make a little U right underneath. All right, now what do we have?
A little mouse.
That's right, so let's put the ThingyDingy up. We're gonna color the ears first. So let's pick a color.
Wait, do I color the other one too?
Yep. I'm going to color the ear, and I'm going to follow the curves like we normally do. And come around here.
Can I just do this?
Yeah, you can do. All right, so with this ear, I'm going to color like Etty, and I'm going to just going like this. If we're going too fast, you can just press pause and catch up. Color the ear. There we go. And then I'm going to color the top of his face inside of here.
Do I have to put it the same color?
You can use a different color if you want.
Okay, I'll probably use some red.
Yeah, you can make this little guy colorful.
Okay.
I'm going to color this side. Color this one with a circular motion. There we go. There we go. When you put it on its side, you can cover up more space. Look at that. And then we're going to color the nose pink.
I'll color my nose pink too. But I'm going to color it a lighter pink.
That's fine.
Do I need to keep a little hole like yours?
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't explain that. Thanks for reminding me. Sometimes I just get in art mode and then I forget. But yeah, you can leave a little, you can just make a little oval in here and then make a little shine for his nose. Thanks for reminding me, baby.
Yeah.
Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna color his face, okay?
Whoa.
I'm gonna color his face, I'm gonna color his face yellow, okay?
I'm gonna color his face yellow too.
All right.
Wait, can I color it only here, this part? So I can leave this part for this color?
Yeah, if you want to add and change some colors, that'll be very colorful. And what I'm doing for this one is I'm staying away from the black lines. I'm keeping this further away so the black isn't picked up by the yellow like the lion we did.
Yeah.
I'm just going to keep it spaced out for now. All right, there we go.
Yikes. Sticky rice stories.
We drew an M first, and then we drew a mouse out of the letter M. Thank you so much for joining us for the series we're calling Draw. And we drew, what did we draw today?
A mouse.
Out of the letter?
And
Well, thank you so much. Y'all have a great day, and don't forget to watch our past videos. We have A, B, C, D, and we have these little guys that we drew last time. This is the letter B. You can go to the videos and check those out. And don't forget to draw daily. Every time you draw, you get better at what you're doing. Okay, so don't forget to draw. And then, what do you do at the end of the day?
we sleep.
We do sleep and give each other hugs.
Whoa!
All right, bye-bye. Y'all have a good day. Effie, guess what? I have a surprise for you.
Okay, that's great. Sounds great. Great.
You ready for it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, here we go. Close your eyes.
Okay.
Okay, here you go.
Look at that!
I know. Look at it. Open it. Yay!
Yay! Sticky rice stories. Everything's better when we stick together. A family of artists creating art for families.